In this lesson video, we will introduce two main units of angles, which is degree and radian. And in degree system, unit degree can also be subdivided into minutes and second. Then we will learn how to convert decimal degree unit into degree, minute and second, and degree, minute and second angle into decimal degree angle. Here we will introduce units of angles, which are degrees or radians. Degree, it comes from the concept that one complete revolution makes 360 degree. So 1 degree is one division 360th of a complete revolution. So a complete revolution is 360 degree. Its 1 of 360th part is 1 degree. So it's a very tiny angle, that is 1 360th of a complete revolution, that is defined as 1 degree of angle. And this 1 degree angle is further divides for finer calculations. This angle itself is divided into minutes and seconds. So how it's defined? 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree, that is 1 degree is 60 minutes. That is, if we divide 1 degree angle itself is very small angle, and if we divide this 1 degree angle further 60 times, then one part will be 1 minute, that is 1 degree is 60 minutes. And then that 1 minute angle is very tiny 1 minute angle, if we divide it again 60 times, then one part will be 1 second. That means 1 minute is 1 second. So 1 degree is 1/60th of a revolution. So one part of 1 upon 360th actually. So a complete revolution is 360 degree. If we divide the complete revolution into 360 part, then one part is 1 degree. And if we divide a 1 degree into 60 part, then one part is minute. And if we divide 1 minute of the angle into 60 parts, then one part will be 1 second. So the relation is 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we can write 1 degree equals 60 minutes, and then that 60 minutes is 60 seconds, so it will be 360 seconds. So 1 degree is 360 seconds. So this is one class of units, degree, minutes and seconds. Another kinds of units is used for angle is called radian. So how we can define radian? Radian is, if we make a circle of 1 unit radius, that is this radius is 1 unit, and on its circumference, if we go 1 unit, that is along its circumference, if we go 1 unit, so that means this radius of this circle is 1 unit, and on its circumference, if we go 1 unit, then in the center of the circle, if we join these two ends, then we make a 1 angle. This angle is called 1 radian. That means if we take a circle of 1 unit radius, and on its circumference from a point, if we move 1 unit, that is the same amount, this and this, then these 2 points make an angle at the center. This angle is 1 radian. So now we defined what is degree, minute and second, and what is 1 radian. And radian is usually shown as 1c, that is 1 radian angle is shown as 1, and this is the radian sign, 1 small c. So this refers that this is a 1 radian. So we define degree, minute, second and 1 radian of angle. Now in next slide we will find the relation between degree and radian. Now we will find the relationship between degree and radian, which we will be using to convert degree into radian and radian into degrees. So one complete revolution is 360 degree. So a complete revolution is 360 degree, we know that. Now the definition of radian is, if the circle radius is 1 unit, so this radius of the circle r is 1, and if we move through its circumference 1 unit, then the angle that make is 1 radian. So now the total circumference, that is 1 revolution, means moving along this circumference 1 time. So the total perimeter of the circle, that is circumference of the circle, is 2 pi r. We know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r when r is the radius, but in this case radius is considered unit, so it will be 2 pi, r is 1, so 2 pi. So the total circumference is 2 pi, and if we move along 1 unit along the circumference, it makes 1 radian angle. So if we move 2 pi units, because this total circumference is 2 pi, so if we move 2 pi unit along the circumference, for 1 unit 1 radian, total 2 pi unit, the total 1 revolution will be 2 pi radian. So 1 revolution in radian is 2 pi radian. In radian angle, 1 revolution is 2 pi radians, and in degree unit 1 revolution is 360 degree. So 1 revolution in 2 units is this. So 1 revolution, same thing. So this 2 pi radians must be equal to 360 degree. So this 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So now from here we can find 1 radian will be 360 division 2 pi of degree. So now if we calculate, it will be 180 division pi of degree. So 1 radian is 180 division pi degree. Similarly, we can find that 2 pi radian is 360 degree. If we bring this 360 down, that means 360 degree equals 2 pi radian. So 1 degree will be 2 pi division 360 radian, which is, if we calculate it, it will get 180. So pi division 180 radian. So we are getting 1 radian equals 180 division pi degree, and 1 degree equals pi division 180 radian. So if we write it properly, so 1 degree equals pi division 180 radian, and 1 radian equals 180 pi 180 division pi degree. So these are the two relations we will be using to convert from degree to radian or radian to degree. Remember, 1 degree equals pi division 180 radian. So from degree to radian, pi is above, and 1 radian equals 180 division pi degree. So from radian to degree, pi will go at the denominator, that is down.